every patient has a life, and they have lots of demands on that life. They have family members, they have spouses, they have jobs, and they really need to balance that with their cancer treatment, because cancer treatment is going to take some time and take some effort, and it's important because we need to fight that cancer. But certainly that can interfere with your normal life. And so it really has to be balanced. And then if you start having various symptoms from the cancer or the cancer treatment, that can affect your personal life as well. If you feel sick, you may not be able to go into your job. So you have to look at all that and balance that and take care of that. And those all need to be addressed. And again, the patient needs to share that with their medical provider. If they're not asked that question, they really need to bring it up, because it's so important to the success of cancer treatment and helping fight that cancer. We need to know everything about the patient. We need to look at them as a whole person and have that whole person approach that takes into account everything about their life.